How to turn off hype comments on Instagram. Instagram recently introduced hype, which lets people see how many users are reacting to their stories. If you want to turn this feature off, Instagram claims you can do it in the settings. However, right now, there is no direct option to disable it. There is a workaround. When adding a story before selecting an image or video, tap the setting button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a panel with different options. Look for the story settings. Instagram may introduce a dedicated hype toggle here, so check if it appears in your settings. If you don't see it, another option is to adjust the Allow Message Replies setting. You can set it to Everyone, People you follow, or turn it off completely. Keep in mind that turning it off will disable all replies, not just hype. Until Instagram adds a direct way to disable hype, these are the best options. Check your settings regularly for updates. That's how to turn off hype comments on Instagram.